All right, so package I just ordered from Vevor just arrived. Quick shipping. It is a high pressure washer. This is the HRT03S. It is a 120 volt, 1.76 gallons per minute pressure washer. So I decided to go with electric because years ago I had a gas one and I just didn't use it that often. I just need enough to do some cleaning around here, around the property. And I figured I'd test out their electric one. This is the one without the reel. We'll talk more specifications later, but let's get this open, get it set up, and get to using it because it's a perfect day for that. It's almost 90 degrees out, so why not? Okay, first thing you're going to find, of course, is the instruction manual. Looks like some machine screws there and some sort of ring, styrofoam, your hose assembly. Like I said, I didn't get the one with the hose reel because they were out of stock and I needed this. So you've got a bracket, your nozzles for the different types of whatever, you know, what type of things, your gun with the pretty lightweight, almost all plastic. For the price, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how long it holds up. And we'll talk tools as we get a little bit further. This looks like it's just got, see, an O-ring on there and like a twist-in lock setup. That's kind of a nice feature, right? And you can see there, pull before rotation, before you rotate. Okay, so cool. That locks in real easy. And of course you have your quick disconnect there. And then the hose is all QD, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna need really any tools for this. Maybe I should open this up. Let's see. All right, so oh, that's some sort of, I don't know what that's for. Maybe, oh, I know exactly what that's for. That's for cleaning the tip out, because you get a little debris in there and the tips will get clogged. That's kind of cool, comes with that. Gonna talk specs, all parts and pieces, how to put together. Does look like I'll need a screwdriver. So that's pretty much it. Not much to the manual. We'll go over some of that a little bit later. That's what these right here, they are your cross tip, you know, your Phillips style screws. Let's get the main unit out. Handle. That's a, oh, nice. I didn't know that. A foamer. So that can hook on there for cleaning your car or equipment. All right, get this packing material off there. Fairly long extension cord. We'll go over the specs of that later. Or the length. It's got a ground fault interrupt circuit on there, so protect you from the good old shocky. And then I said that's a decent length cable. I was expecting a much shorter cable, but not bad. I like that. All right, let's get it put together. All right, so you see that the handle just slides on right there, and then there's two screw holes just below those other screws. So you take your pack of screws that I already lost. Maybe I should read the instructions. So you got that. This goes right in here. To 16 millimeter 22. So you've got here 16, the short one, 22 millimeter, 22 for the handle. Just a Phillips number 2, perfect size. Snug that down. Remember, it's plastic. Don't over tighten. So then there's 4 screws that are going to go into this piece here. And those are the 16. 4 hours later, this bracket here it goes back here. This last one. All right, here we go. All 8 screws installed. All the brackets. You got all this stuff on here to wrap your cords around. Like I said, the one with the reel was a little bit more money, but it was not available. So I don't know, sometimes reels are nice and all, but they also are point of failure. So let's get the nozzle line hooked up, which is a simple, it's got an O-ring, easy thread on connector. That's going to go right here in the front. Thread that down, snug that on. Here's your on-off switch. Your very light sticker's falling off already. But there's where your garden hose is going to go to, and let's go wash some stuff. All right, so I'm going to be using the green tip here, which is what, 25 degree tip to clean off the front deck so I can restain it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and switch out to the 15 degree and see if that does a little better. It's doing pretty good, but maybe a little more. Okay, so now I got the 15 degree. Perfect. Well, I'm going to say this is a win for, with my discount, $92. I'll throw the exact, I mean, I'm not going to include tax and whatnot, but I think it was 92 bucks. So I'll provide a link down below. And as always, we'll always, as we continue to use things, we'll do a future video where we talk any issues we've had, you know, pros and cons, all those things. So if you've watched this far, means you found this content interesting, so please subscribe to the channel. Check out our other playlists, which will be linked here in the video. Check out our website, theravenwoodacres.com, and connect with us via our social medias, which are linked below. And there'll be a product link for this along with a 5% discount, or maybe by the time you watch this video, I applied for a 10%. Maybe I can get you a 10% discount. So if that's down below, I'll save you 10%. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.